It's Lindy. Hi, Lindy Lou. Here's a big kitty. Big kitty with tiny paws, huh? And they got the two buddies. Hi, buddies. This is Amos. He's a male, not fixed, not declawed. And that's his buddy, Aslan. Male, not fixed, not declawed. I think they're young, about 8 months, I believe. Huh. You're right. Good kitty. Oh, you're slipping and sliding. You're slipping and sliding.